So today's the day. We're going to put our new grill together, and it's a Monument Grill 35633R, which the R stands that it's red. I wanted to get the stainless steel, but they didn't have that one anymore. They were out of stock, so I went on and got the one that's red. So I think it's going to be a beautiful grill. So we're getting ready to start to do that. And here's what it's replacing: our trusty dusty Char-Broil commercial infrared grill, and this one's going to be replacing it. So stand by. I can tell you right now, it's really packed in here really well. A lot of foam, a lot of packing. I'm just now to this is the base, which is right at the top of it, but this thing is really put in here very well. It's really packed in there well. You can see I've got straps all around, and most of the parts are inside here, and foam off of it, you name it. It looks really well packed. All right, so I've got everything out of the box. Side panels. Over there is one of the side burners and the searing station, grates and drip trays, wheels, and the diverters, as well as all the items for me to put this thing together. And there is the grill itself. And this is I think this is a great feature. This is a drip pan, and you can actually line this thing so that you don't get it all messed up. And that will drain out to a drip tray, which is sitting over there next to the grates, that you can empty very easily. All right, so we're about ready to start doing the assembly, and I'll let you see where we are on each one of the steps. By the way, I am going to be bringing my laptop out here because Wayfair was supposed to ship this with it being assembled, and because their website does not give you any way of knowing, it stated that you had to add the $96.99 assembly charge to it, but there's no place on there that tells you to do that. But once I talked to customer service after this arrived, they said, yeah, that's the only way that you can get the free assembly, is that you have to add that on, and then they take it off at shipping. So anyway, we're going to see how long this takes, and see how long this took me. About 10 minutes to get everything out of the box. So we're going to see how long this takes for the rest of it. Stay tuned. Okay, so the base is put together. All right, and it was just a matter of getting the screws. I did go onto the Monument Grill's website, and I did get their instructional PDF on how to assemble the grill. I'm going to be putting the side burners on next. After I do this, I had to get Holly to help me lift this up, because it wasn't so much that it was so heavy, it's just it was awkward. So I had her help me put it up on top of this thing. So that's where we are on it right now. A little bit more in a bit, coming down toward the finish line. I've got the thermometer in, got both side grills on. I'm still looking for where I need to put the igniter, plug the igniter in on this side burner, because I haven't found that as of yet. But we're coming right along. Up next, I'm going to put in the grates and the doors. And finally, here it is, completely assembled. Still got a couple of wires I want to pick up and move and put them in a different place. But I have my Monument smoker for my chips to put in there. It's already in place. This is a regular burner for different foods, and this is a sear station on the left hand side, so that you can take and sear a steak off real quick. That gets up to 700 degrees real quick. So I got my new tools on the side over here. There's a tank of propane inside, and a little more space after that. Got all that picked up and out of the way. So we got that in there, and you know, just so that you can see the coolness of it. I'll go back this way. Watch when I hit this button over here. Is that cool? I know it's daylight and it makes it a little difficult to see, but for evening cooking and that sort of thing, it makes it a lot easier to be able to see where you're at on your controls. So that's the Monument Grill. It took me about 3.5 hours to put it together. Wayfair was charging me about $96.99 to do that. And 3.5 hours, that was about, you know, I'd say $30 an hour, somewhere close to that. So it is a great looking grill. I'm getting ready to burn it off right now, and I'll probably do a quick video on that when I'm done with this one. See ya.